Hello! This short video shows how you can use our online help system, look up a topic, or contact our customer service. First off, if you have general comments about what you like or how we can improve the site, you can send us feedback from the footer. We review the feedback and may use it for future enhancements, but we don't necessarily respond to it. If you have an urgent problem with an order or run into an issue on the site, please contact customer service. To get help, click on the question mark in the upper right-hand corner and go to the Help homepage. You can also go to support.snapfish.com. Important and common topics like photos, projects, and orders are covered on the top row. There are many articles under each that can potentially answer your question. The top 10 most commonly used articles are also on this page. We also provide many tutorial videos on different topics, from uploading photos to ordering prints to creating a photo book. You can also find these videos on YouTube. If you don't find the information you're looking for, you can search for it. As an example, I search for caption photos, and I get a few matches. If I have a problem with an order or a function and I want to contact support, I go to Help Home and select Contact Customer Support. There are 3 ways to reach our support: email, chat, or phone. Just keep in mind that in certain times, like the holiday season, or if there's a site issue, you may have to wait to get served, so please be patient with us. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.